Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Zach, Golf, on Divine, Haroon, Elizabeth, Juan, Hoheim, Kim, Manny. Good morning, everyone. Sample, good morning. Justin Barrett here. Good morning, everyone. Okay. To be honest, I was gonna sell the swings at a loss at open, but I mean this drop sort of helped. Pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and all right, I'm gonna sell these puts for a small loss, and then re-enter into a longer term contract, because the point of these trades were to capture a downside move at the open. Now, intraday, with contracts expiring 8 days away, this could be a bit risky. So actually, I might hold on to the NASDAQ puts though. NASDAQ puts are doing. This is some extreme weakness to start the morning. Mm-hmm. 2, 3, 4, 39. All right, perfect. My bad. Fix the screen. Wow, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous weakness. Huh. Okay. Oh, we have major support at 437.33. So okay, let's see. 438 calls. I'm in light calls with low day stop. Very, very light. The contracts are moving pretty fast. You have to go very light. 10% stop loss. Very, very light. This is nice and comfortable. Nothing crazy. Okay. Mm-hmm. 437.33 is major support on the SPY. 372.80 is major support on the NASDAQ. Let's see if the NASDAQ gets a push above 373. If we get that push above 373, the SPY is going to get a nice solid leg up above this wick. And then the contract should be up about 10-15% if we could hit 437.60. But regardless, this is a good spot to go long. So if you look at just in terms of the fibs, we did hit the 23.6% fib, but going short here for a continued move down is very, very aggressive. So it's a high likelihood chance that we touch at least a 38.2% fib. And as you can see, it's just so happens that this morning it coincides perfectly with this prior level of support that I had drawn out at 437.69 as well. So you know, it pays off to be bullish right now, and down here especially into that weakness. And there we go. There's 0.75. There we go. There's 0.77, 0.78. Good little trade, nice and simple. Traded the overextension. Payday. You want payday? I know that. So yeah, obviously now is a good time to take some profits. Good trade. Can't really ask for anything more. The NASDAQ did exactly what it was supposed to do. The SPY was holding support. Everything worked out really, really well. Now we're just gonna let this ride. Let the runners ride. So far, so good on the right side of the trade. Nice and simple. That's what it is. Now that we're at the 38.2% fib, now bears are gonna have to make a decision whether they want to reshort, because this was a lot of short covering. So they're gonna have to make a decision whether they want to reshort. And seems like that's what they want to do here. We're still holding on to the NASDAQ swings. And yeah, just make sure you guys remain in profit on the contracts. Mm-hmm. They didn't even get a chance to fade. No, yeah. But I should look at cashing on them. Just it's you just withdraw it to your Coinbase or whatever brokerage that you can connect to your bank account. Canelo. NVW, basically when I say I'm going long or going short, that means either calls or puts. Base hits, yep. Suleiman, does Hamid use time and sales on level 2? Not really. Not that much on the SPY. It's doesn't always you could. Time and sales works well with crypto or smaller stocks, because a lot of the buyers and sellers on the SPY, a lot of the action occurs on dark pools. On the yeah, wait, shouldn't have deleted that message. No, I don't smoke at all. Evergreens. I don't smoke at all. But it seems like you're using something else to brush your teeth this morning. Good morning. Real. Good morning, Jackson. ATR is lower today than normal. Yeah, I used to trade with the ATR a lot, but I don't. Carl, tune in, man. You'll see what's going on. Much love. Peace. Peace to you as well, brother. Got some puts on that pullback. Good stuff, man. Congrats. Good trade. Yeah, smoking causes stress and anxiety. Every person that I know that smokes is, it's not good to smoke. None of my friends that smoke are proud of it. Create PS4? No, I did not. Walaikum salam, guys. SPY call still open? No. Definitely not cigarettes. 100% not cigarettes. I don't smoke weed. Rigatoni, thanks, man. Glad to help. The NASDAQ is holding 372.80. The IWM is at 170. NASDAQ is holding above 373.53. SPYs have VWAP. IWMs have VWAP. Also, this major resistance on the SPY clearly at 437.68. Okay. I'm in puts with a 437.68 stop. Right here. This could, you know, regardless, it could bounce back up, but the trade is a trade. Let's see. 437.30 is support. We need to see if it could break below support and then retest low of day. But that, if you guys are looking at the NASDAQ right now, that is not something that you really want to see. A bearish setup at a level of resistance. The IWM is also showing some weakness. Let's see. We're going to be strict with the stop loss. So, should be good. Contracts are moving up. That's, contracts are moving pretty weird at the moment. They're paying a little too well for little small moves. So regardless of what this trade is, just make sure it's light. This is weird that it's moving really well to the downside. When that happens, that's usually not a good sign. All right, let's take a small loss on this. NASDAQ is at resistance as well. I like puts again. I'm grabbing puts again. With a stop loss of 437.84. NASDAQ is at resistance now at 370.390. SPYs at resistance 50 SMA and 437.86. We should generally be getting a pullback, but if this doesn't work, then that has to show that there's a lot of buyers at the moment. So we will reconsider. But so far, over here when we went long, they forced us to go long at support. If you had gone long with momentum, that was a fake out. Same concept over here. When we tried to go long with momentum, it was a fake out and they ripped it up. So we're simply just going short at resistance. Okay, we're gonna have to take this loss. Ripped it up high. Well, actually, 1 second. Wow. Hold on. Wow. What is this price action? That's crazy. That is wild. Yeah, so as you guys know, it doesn't count as a stop loss until the minute candle closes. So down here, wow, what a ridiculous move. So intra-minute, we could break above a level of resistance, but it doesn't matter until the candle gets closed. That's what I do because of things like this. Okay, so I am taking profits over here because the market is crazy at the moment. Taking some profits, and now for the runners, I'm going to keep the runners below 437.60. I want this to just put its foot down on the market and keep it below. As long as it remains below 437.60, I'm going to hold on to the runners. We've been seeing wicks like this a lot, like randomly in the past, more so recently. So yeah, once again, holding on to runners as long as it remains below 437.60. This is really, we're most likely going to get a retest somewhere here for bears to reshort. But shorting here is risky. You could go short. You could re-enter short here with the 437.60 stop. But this would be very, very risky. But the momentum is very bearish at the moment. On paper, the thing that they're doing is, on paper, this is a good long. But because the momentum is bearish, they're going, yeah, like they were going to use this as a let's see if they continue to drop it lower. But on paper, they tried to make it look like a very, very good long, but you have to look at everything in context. So yeah, this is rough. This is rough for people that tried to go long there, because technically, right, what's crazy is that earlier on in the day, they were forcing you to go long at support, short at resistance. This setup right here, we came back to a level of support on the NASDAQ, a level of support on the SPY. So again, people were starting to go long right here, which was on paper a really, really good trade. But because you have to take things into context, they ripped it lower. Unfortunately. For bulls. If we drop a little lower, I'm going to sell the rest. I want 35%. Oh, damn, that's... Oh, thank God. Thank God. Man, what a freaking amazing, freaking beautiful. Holy crap. Beautiful. All right, I'm selling the rest. Nice little 50% play. God damn. God damn. What a freaking amazing play. What a god damn, dude. Shoot. They really, really got people. It's unfortunate. Like, that sucks. Like, I really, really hate when they do this. The whole morning, right? Forcing you to go long at support, short at resistance. Long at support. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but it was perfect. As long as no one went long here, which I'm pretty sure no one did. Good stuff. Oh my gosh. Mamma mia. Oh! God damn it. Shit. Shit. Fudge. Oh my fudging goodness. Fudge. Oh man. That 786%, it was also a midline in the middle of the day. Alright, let's focus. Let's focus. Relax. SPY is at 436.60 support. NASDAQ's at 372.40 support. IWM is at 170 support. Focus. We're at support on the NASDAQ. We're at support on the... we're almost at support on the SPY. This is risky to go long here. I would love to go long. Damn. Whoosh. You know, let's relax. Let's not overtrade. But yeah, days like this really, really make up for the choppy days where it's just annoying. Damn. Easy. How can you have a stop at the end of a candle? I think you're referring to over here at 437 when we went short over here, I believe, right? So I don't know what you mean. Not sure if you're being sarcastic, but all right, so look, guys, this is another thing here. When we have a move like this, you take the fib of the high to the low, and then you'll see that going short, always going short at the 22.6 is very risky. Some days it does occur, and those days, that's when things are really, 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 really weak. But that happens maybe like once every few weeks. You guys understand, like when we're extremely weak or extremely strong, shorting here would work, right? But generally it doesn't. So it's gonna be interesting to see how the market responds here now. Okay, and the other thing is at the 22.6, right? If we end up making a new low and the shorts do work, the next leg ends up being a high probability long opportunity. So if we break the lows here right now, if we break the lows here and fall to a level of support, maybe the equivalent of 436.20 on the SPY, that would be a better opportunity. 436.20, 436ish area, that would be a better opportunity to go long. Because this is, so far, this is pretty weak and surprising that they didn't rip it up higher. Contracts are moving very, very fast also. So if there is going to be another trade that we take, contracts are moving really fast. So be careful about going too heavy right now. IV is increasing, you know, because also Powell is going to be speaking at 2 o'clock. But the market is moving very fluid, surprisingly. So, which is very good. All right, I like SPY calls. I'm in SPY calls right now. Let's see if this low of day stop holds. If it's gonna rip now. Well, off of this setup. So let's see. You could see the contracts are moving really fast. Oh, sexy. Oof. Oof. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful move. Little small moves causing the contracts to move up. So I'm going to take some profits on this. Nice little scalp. I'm going to let runners ride. I have to solidify some profits because the contracts are moving really quick. So now I just want this to remain below. I want this to remain above 436.75. If it could remain above 436.75, then we could retest. Let me show you guys the 38.2% fib at 437, and then the contract should be up much better. but I'm glad that we took this long. I saw that we were trying to hold support here. The NASDAQ is making a bit of a bull flag bounce off of 372.80. So I saw the strength out of the NASDAQ. Make sure you guys have taken some profits. Make sure you guys have taken some profits right now. Make sure you guys have taken some profits. Make sure you guys have taken profits. Do not let this go red. NASDAQ is at major resistance. So just goddamn. Look at if you guys look at the NASDAQ, so much resistance right now. It has the 10, the 50, the 200 SMAs and the VWAP right here. So if there's a big push, it's not a good long opportunity, but if it does happen, thank God. All right, so we just pushed above all of that resistance on the NASDAQ, which is crazy. Thank God. What are you gonna do? It's a blessing. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'm selling the rest. I don't like this setup. I don't like what's going on. We're at too much resistance, and I don't want to be bullish at resistance. The SPY barely put. We could continue. We could easily continue and touch 437, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Look for a better opportunity. This is not a long opportunity. Is a long, so a long is a call, Dustin, and a put is a short. So what we're doing is we're trading the zero. Well, wow, this is extreme strength. You guys could keep, 430. Probably should have just held on to this contract as long as we did hold 436.75, but it is what it is. There was too much resistance. Suleiman, a fib is important because algorithms are based off of fib levels. A lot of algorithms are based off of fib levels. I think did everyone make money for today? Can you guys put ones in the chat if you guys made money? Jas, so on certain brokerages, I don't know if a Robinhood allows you to trade same day expiration, but on other brokerages, you're allowed to trade same day expiration contracts. Jeff Takuni, Dustin, Create. Yo, Jewel Woods, nice man. I'm haven't seen you here. This is awesome. Real Cookies, Elizabeth, nice. Ubs, Mash, Cameron, good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Peter, Sanjay, okay, nice. Rogelio, nice. You too, my brother. Peter. No, this is not a good time to go long. It's not a good time to go long. So would the next best thing be trading the next day's contracts and seeing similar but smaller moves? Well, no. So here's the thing. If you download my app, right, and you go into it, like we have a free Discord that shows like all of the education that you would need to learn how to trade. So do that. Go through the educational channel in the Discord, and then while you're learning, you should paper trade. You should not be trading with real money at the moment. Just paper trade until you get good. And while you're paper trading, you should also journal your trades. Ahmed, nice. Congrats, my brother. Earl, nice. Jason, nice. Nick, Nvidia is the main reason we are not more red today. Yeah. Yep. Holy shit. Look at goddamn miners, man. Mara is up 18%. Riot is up 12%. Coin is up 10%. God damn. AMC is down 13%. Tesla has such a perfect setup. Yeah, Tesla does look like a falling wedge. Let's see. Nah. Tesla looks like a falling channel, to be honest. It doesn't look like a falling wedge. Sinopi, yeah. So on my YouTube channel, I also have a free trading course. If you go to scroll back about a week, it's a free trading course, or you could go to my Twitter and I have it pinned at the top. Oh, yeah, I was wondering what you meant by R hood. R hood has 0 DTE. Okay. Oh, yeah, Robinhood's a piece of crap. But very nice day so far. Just now, what time is it? It's 10:30. We have a Fed meeting at 2 o'clock. Michael ended up shorting some SPX before the big drop. Savage. Good job, bro. I'm gonna be streaming every single day now. There is not gonna be a day that I miss unless something something happens. but I begin streaming at market open. So everyone that's on TikTok, definitely, check out the YouTube stream. I give, and just check out my YouTube channel in general. I give daily market updates, and then I also explain in detail why I enter and exit trades as well. So, and I also live stream on YouTube. So that's generally easier to look at. You could have it playing in the background. No, yeah, by all means, like Robinhood is very, very like good. I just have a bias against it, similar to like they, yeah. I was doing a trading challenge just for the sake of it. I started with about like $400 back when the COVID crash began, and I like Robinhood was down for 2 days during that time, and I missed out on like $70,000. So, whatchamacallit, I made it to 25K though. Like I made it to, like, my initial plan was I was gonna flip the 400 to 100K, and then like start selling subscriptions and show like the trade history and everything. I could still show the trade history. I could screenshot everything, but yeah, I had a whole plan. I was gonna start with 400, whatever, and then make like a nice little compilation video screenshotting all of my order histories for everything. And then yeah, sort of messed up. They didn't allow they stopped trading. So that's why I don't really like Robinhood, but this is still a riskier sort of time to go long. Wow. Okay, so now we're getting close to 436.20. The NASDAQ is back to 372.40. This going long here would probably be like the riskiest trade so far, to be honest. I want a solid touch closer to 436.20. And then I want to see how we respond here. Okay, so now I want to see how we respond here. No, sorry. Shoot. Hmm. Damn. This is the last trade, the most risky of the day. I'm just gonna go long. Yeah. Hmm. 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 I'm gonna go very light long. This is the last trade. We're most likely gonna this is really risky, honestly, but we have to take it. This is really risky. Nice and light. Most likely going to we're at support. It is what it is. Momentum is really bearish. That's why I just don't like this trade at all. But you know, when we're not as confident of a trade, you just have to go a bit lighter. Okay. If they're gonna bounce, it has to be now. So let's see. I'm selling this for a small gain, calling it a day. This is like oh shit, hold up. Yeah. Screw it. I'm gonna take profits, then I'm gonna have a stop loss for 436.30. This is like really, they're really trying to rip this lower. So let's see. Oh, this was so hard to stay in, to be honest. The momentum was so bearish. Oh man, they ripped it up. They made people so bearish down here. I was super bearish as well, goddamn. But you know, glad we took the long. Okay. Damn. Holy crap. Beautiful. Yeah, all right, cool. I'm out. Let's have an amazing day, everyone. This is a good trade. And yeah, man. This is yeah. This was a damn. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, we did well. Did well enough. This is now just be careful as we get closer to 2 p.m. Powell is going to be speaking. Don't get too crazy with trading as we get closer into the day to 2 p.m. Let's look at IV. IV is also stagnant. well, it was increasing in the morning. It's stagnant from where it is now. I might have sold these too early, but yeah, 436.30 is a level where this needs to hold a support. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat. Okay, yeah, thank God we sold. Yeah, honestly, let's just step away for now. Let's see if we get better setups later on, and yeah, should be good to go. Let's see what's up. But yeah, cool. Love you guys. Hope everyone had an amazing day. And yeah, man. You guys have an amazing rest of your day. You guys could take profits on it, on the puts, overnight puts. But yeah, all right. Love you guys. Take care. Have an amazing rest of your day. Let me go ahead and throw this on here. Let's play the outro. Yeah. Perfect. All right, cool, guys. Love you guys, man. Take care. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow morning. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Good end to the week so far. I'm expecting the market to be a bit bearish for the rest of the day. But you know, let's see how it responds after Powell. All right, cool. All right, love you guys. Take care. Have a good one.